Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Renegade or Jeep Compass with a 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you're wondering how often you should change your timing chain, okay, stay with us guys and we're going to discuss that today, and we'll show you why you actually need to replace some of the components of the timing chain. Make sure you stay until the end, guys. As you can see, we have the engine out. Okay, that 2.4 Multiair engine is used on multiple Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler and Fiat vehicles, guys. Same engine in many vehicles. We got it out because we'll have more than 100 videos on this engine, guys. We'll show you how to do pretty much anything from start to finish. So that way we can show you guys with a great detail where bolts are, how to remove things, because if that engine is in the car, it's almost impossible to do that now, guys. Let us show you now, okay, what the timing chain components consist of, and we'll explain how often you need to change it. According to the manual, guys, it's not an unchangeable item, but I've seen that in the past with like transmissions, automatic transmission, that say they're not serviceable. It's a lifetime deal, but you guys don't want to take that for granted, and I'll explain why based on our experience. Okay, let's start on it and show you, okay, what we're talking about here now. So this is the engine, 2.4 Multi-Air. We remove the timing cover, and we'll have a video how to change the timing chain as well, timing marks, so that will be there if you want to check it out. We brought the timing marks and we can explain you things. We have only one camshaft. Let me remove that cover here so I can show you on top. You have only one camshaft, guys. You have variable timing on each cylinder on the valves on the intake side, so you do not have a camshaft. It uses the camshaft from the exhaust camshaft actually. So practically your timing chain is very short. It's not very long. You do not have the double overhead cam. So chain being short, guys, and it's pretty thick size, okay, you think, okay, I don't need to replace it, and you probably are right. The possibility for that to wear, it's very minimum. And you have a second chain, guys, okay, for the oil pump and balancing shaft. It's all in one, guys. This one is going like, I think it turns kind of like it has a big weight that offsets the vibrations from the engine, so it can make the engine seem really smooth. This is the tensioner for the oil pump. This is the tensioner for the timing chain. This is just a spring-loaded tensioner. I don't think it's anything special, but this tensioner right here, guys, this is very important. This is a hydraulic tensioner, and even though you may not want to replace your timing chain, I would recommend that tensioner. Replace it, guys. I usually go between 60 and 100,000 miles. Usually average about 80,000 miles, we remove it and replace it. This tensioner is hydraulic tensioner, and what it does, oil pushes it out when you start the car. But sometimes they do get wear out. The teeth get wear out here as well. They malfunction, guys, and as a result, when the engine is cold, it will lose oil pressure and that tensioner will contract. And every time you start the car, you may hear a rattle for a couple seconds or even half a second. And that rattle, guys, is due to a loose chain, which could be catastrophic if you jump the timing. So even though timing chain you may not replace it, I'll recommend, guys, replace your tensioner. This is very important part of the engine. And it doesn't take very long. Check out the video. It's not as complicated as other engines. This one, for that, is pretty easy to work on. This is the two that I'm talking about. If it malfunctions, okay, your tensioner will be done pretty much. Sometimes they do wear out. We've seen, usually it's higher mileage vehicles, about 130 to 150, 60,000 miles. We've noticed that happen. We had a vehicle with 105,000 miles, so you never know, but most of them are higher mileage vehicles. So always, guys, I would recommend don't go past over 100,000 miles on the tensioner. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you having that engine. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.